This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have an iPhone 12 Pro and updated iOS so the Lidar sensor is supported. Once done, make sure the rear lens and sensor area are clean and unobstructed. Remove thick cases that block scanning. Now open the camera app and switch to Portrait or an AR-enabled app, because those modes prompt the system to engage Lidar. You're initiating the hardware and software handshake so the scanner can measure depth accurately. You need to enable camera and motion permissions for any AR or scanning app. Allow them when prompted so Lidar can feed data. Then slowly move the phone around your subject, keeping roughly 1 to 3 meters distance. This gives better depth sampling and reduces holes. Make sure to watch the app's reticle or grid indicators and tap the screen to lock focus or exposure when the subject is centered. This stabilizes the scan and improves point cloud consistency for accurate results. Complete the workflow by saving or exporting your scan in the format your app offers, like USTS or OBJ, and verify the mesh briefly. If you see holes or noisy depth, rescan from additional angles and slightly increase ambient light. Lidar works best with texture and minimal glare. If the sensor won't initialize, restart your iPhone or toggle camera and location permissions in Settings, then try again. These steps address most hardware, permission, and environmental issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.